Done!
What do you see?
This is so cool. I see a small circle image of the sun in the middle of the shadow of the cardboard sheet.
Wanna do something more interesting?
Did you know that there is an eclipse today?
Yes, Dad. Mom did tell me about this before leaving home today.
Yes, that's how I found out too. We can use the pinhole camera to observe the eclipse today. As the eclipse progresses, part of the image of the sun gradually becomes darker, which tells us about the eclipse. But son, there is something you should keep in mind. You cannot just look directly at the sun at any time, anywhere. It could be very dangerous to the eyes. So be careful.
Always careful.
Did you also know that there is an interesting pinhole camera in nature? Sometimes, when we pass under a tree covered with a large number of leaves, we notice small patches of sunlight under it. These circular images are in fact pinhole images of the sun. The gaps between the leaves act like pinholes. The gaps are all kinds of irregular shapes, but we can see circular images of the sun. Son, how do you think seeing images through this pinhole camera is possible?
Because of the light?
That is exactly right. And you should also know that along with light, it is also necessary that the light moves in the same path. It is scorching hot. Let's go home now before the eclipse begins. It is not safe to look at the sun, especially right now.
Yes, Dad. I'm hungry too.
We will be continuing. Trust me, we are almost done and it's going to be very interesting.
I can't wait.